How to request a refund on Spirit Airlines. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can request a refund on Spirit Airlines. So if you paid for a trip or you booked a flight and then you no longer want to go on that flight and you want a refund, there are ways to go about it. The first thing to do is to log in into your Spirit Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you're brought to the home page of Spirit Airlines. Then once you're on this home page, the next thing for you to do is to go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see other options such as free spirit deals, contact us, then your profile name. Just ensure you click on contact us. Once you click on contact us, you'll be brought to the contact us page. On this page, you can now ask and request for a refund easily from the Spirit Airlines customer service. Now, the first way is by clicking on the Let's Chat box where a virtual agent to speak to you directly, or you can just speak to them through SMS or through WhatsApp. I will highly recommend you clicking on the Let's Chat box. Once you click on the Let's Chat box, by the right side of the screen, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll be asked to select your preferred language. Ensure you select it, and then from here, you can now ask and request for your refund from the virtual agent. And then once you request for this, you'll be asked to follow some on-screen instructions. Follow those instructions, and then eventually your money would be refunded. So this is basically how you can request a refund on Spirit Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.